Thank you so much.
For someone who once sang "Climb Every Mountain," today was a day to take the train up one. Dame Shirley Bassey, centre stage in Snowdonia, and now forever part of Wales's highest railway.
Great honour. So thank Wales very much. And I've never been this part of Wales before. It's beautiful. And this is fabulous. I'm going to cry in a minute. Oh, dear. This is my life, and I don't give a damn about devotion. I've got to give.
Over 6 decades, there's barely an award she hasn't won. And now she gets a carriage named after her. And to follow fellow Welsh singers, Sir Bryn, Terfel and Katherine Jenkins.
We felt that Dame Shirley, would save the best till last. She is obviously an ambassador for Wales, an international icon.
For once in her life, the chart topper did not make it to the top,
You could go down there.
Yeah.
preferring to stay at the base of Snowdon with the champagne ready.
When you've been in the business as long as I have, you think that the honours have, dried up, but they haven't, and it's a wonderful surprise. Thank you very much.
And so, after signing some records, Dame Shirley headed off, as did the train, in the opposite direction, still climbing that mountain. Richard Pallow, News at 10.